The first letter from John chapter 3 from verse 1 to verse 10. Look how much the Father love we. In call him own a pitney, and we are really feeling pitney for true. The people them in the world don't know we, just like how they never know God neither. My friend, we are God pitney now, and we don't know everything about our life going to later. But we know say, when Christ Jesus come back, we're going to see him like him, because we're going to see him just like how him done. Everybody will believe said Jesus are going to make them just like himself, keep away from sin, just like how Jesus keep away from sin. Everybody will sin, broke God's law, because sin are the same thing like when somebody broke God's law. Uno know said Jesus come for take away sin, and he not have no sin at all. Nobody will trust in a Jesus, no live in a sin. Anybody will just a sinner go on so, never see him, and then don't know him neither. Me pickney. No make nobody fool no up. Anybody will do it right, and them good in a God's eye. Just like how Jesus good in a God's eye. Anybody will sin belong to the devil. Because from the world start, the devil has sin. And that make God boy pickney come in at the world for mash up the devil work. Nobody where God pickney can't just a sinner galang so, cause God life there in a them. Then can't just go on in a sin so, cause them a God pickney. We can know who a God pickney from who a the devil pickney. Anybody when no do it right in a God eye, and when I love them brother and sister, them are no God pickney. A God Wod Dis. Thank God.